Hi, my name's Jim from S.O.Tech, and today I want to talk to you about one of our new homage pieces. We've done a couple in the past. We did the Alice Ruck, a miniature version of that, and airborne's close to my heart. I spent close to 30 years in the military, and most of that was in airborne units. And so, since falling out of an airplane is something I enjoy, I figured pull a design from the airborne community to share with some of my airborne brothers. We contracted to manufacture was the Universal Parachutist Kit Bag with one of the aerospace companies. So we did hundreds, I think actually thousands of these paratrooper kit bags. If you go way back, we used to use the aviator kit bag, and it's just a huge bag with two big stupid handles on it, and you'd have to dump your parachute in that, and then with those two handles you'd have to hoof it across a drop zone to get to the truck to unload. So someone got smart in the Army, and they added some nice shoulder straps to the outside of that bag, and they also put a pocket over here on this side to, I believe, drop your reserve chute in. And they designed this for Halo and for static line setups. But then we got approached by one of the largest sporting goods companies out there. We do a lot of collaboration projects where sporting goods, men's urban fashion companies hit us up to do collaborations where we do tactical themed products that'll match their shoes or match their accessories, whatever it may be. So this one company, they asked us to do about 100 bags to match a set of their shoes. Is going to their tier 0, which are their top influencers. And so they asked me which bag would be great, and I said, hey, why don't we shrink down the parachutist kit bag to make this miniature bag. And we ended up doing a NASA theme, but afterwards I said I really liked the size of this bag, whether it's a gym bag or whether it's a travel bag, or whether it's just me feeling attachments to my paratrooper days. I just like this bag, and I said, hey, you know what? Let's go ahead and instead of making it in NASA colors, let's make this one same colors out of the same materials that we did for the Universal Parachutist Kit Bag. So you'll see we even matched used the red pull cords that we did on the issue bag. And the same nylon, the same snaps, the same zippers, the same zipper pulls. It's got handles in the same spots. So it's the same pack cloth nylon. It's just, it'll bring back a lot of good memories. If you're a paratrooper, most of us in the Army seem to have been airborne at some point or another. And if not, it's just a cool bag. So again, this is our paratrooper kit bag. Which is our miniature version of the Universal Parachutist Kit Bag. That's the standard issue bag. And it's a lot of fun. It's got the handles, it's got the side pockets, it's got the snaps, it's got the zipper, it's got the poles, it's got the extra retention strap on it, handles on the side, and it's a good fun bag.